Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification button, and leave a like and all that stuff. As you can see by the title, I'm gonna be sharing everything about my natural hair journey and everything that I did and didn't do to help grow out my hair. This is a disclaimer: not everything that I say in this video is like law or like proven to, you know, be facts, but this is just some tips that, you know, it might help you on your natural hair journey, and that's what I'm here for. So my hair is twisted out. I twisted it out last night, and I'm just gonna be like untwisting them while I'm talking in the video. So the first thing that I did, I chopped my hair off in 2016. I did a big chop. So it's been 3 years now since I've you know, been natural. I just grabbed a pair of scissors and I literally just cut off my hair. Like, I literally just cut it with some scissors and I never looked back. So I did a big chop, and then because I used to get perms and I used to get sew-ins, I used to flat iron my hair a lot. So I was like over it. I didn't want it to be damaged no more. So I so I just cut my hair, you know, I just did the big chop. So the first thing that I would suggest if you're on your natural hair journey, or if you're thinking about going on your natural hair journey, just cut it off. Like, it'll grow back. Just cut off your hair, like, seriously. Keep your hair moisturized and just leave it alone. Don't add any heat to it. Don't manipulate it. Don't blow dry it. Or if you do blow dry it, if you do want to add heat to it, just keep it as little as possible. Like, I literally probably add heat to my hair probably once a year, or yeah, I barely add heat to it. So then after that, I suggest that you have to find out what your hair likes. What products do your hair like? What routine does your hair like? Like, what does your hair love? Stay loyal to a routine. You need to stay loyal to a hair product. You need to yeah, just stay loyal to one thing. Your hair will like literally thank you. Like, you don't have to keep trying new products every few weeks, or, you know, you don't have to keep taking suggestions from everybody, and you don't have to do that. Like, it's the simplest thing ever. Just stay loyal to one routine or one or to one product that your hair really loves. Stay loyal to it. Like me, I've been using the same products since 2016. Like, I don't change the products that I use in my hair. Even though there's new products for natural hair care and stuff, it's just I don't really feel the need to go out and try new stuff on my hair, because I don't like experimenting. And it's like, if my hair is already fine with the products that I use, I don't really go out and look for new stuff to try on my hair. So that's helped me. So I'll show you guys at the end the hair products that I use from my previous videos. I'll try to put a clip in. This video was from 2017 and this video was from 2019, and as you can see the difference in the growth. One thing that I didn't do personally, I never got my hair trimmed. That's like a natural hair rule that I broke. I guess natural hair people go get trims every couple months or whatever. I don't know how they do it, but I don't do that. No, people can do what they want with their hair, and you know, if you want to get trims, then get a trim. If you don't want to get a trim, don't get a trim. I don't see a difference. I don't really know if it's mandatory for natural hair, or like, I really don't know, but I just don't know what's the point of trimming it for. So yeah, I guess that's what I didn't do. Maybe one day that'll change. Yeah, so I don't have anything against trims. It's just, honestly, the reason why I don't get trims is because I don't have there's not a lot of black hair salons in my area that work with natural hair. Usually the hair salon, there's hair salons, but like that's for braiding and like sew-ins. There's not a lot of hair salons that just work on like natural hair. So that's why I haven't had the chance to really go to a salon, like by a professional, and get my hair done or whatever, like my natural hair. So that's actually the reason why I don't get trims. I don't have anything against it, but it's just I've never even had the chance to even go get a trim. I never had the chance to go to a salon that works with 4C hair and stuff. So I'm sorry if this video is all over the place. I'm kind of in a rush, but yeah, I'll try to put in some clips and some videos so you guys can see the journey from when I first, you know, started my journey. I'm just trying to rip out the pieces. Separate the pieces a little bit. Oh yeah, another thing I would say, don't focus too much on like length. Like, don't let your goal be on to get your hair as long as possible. Like, don't let that be your goal. Just make sure your hair is healthy, and it doesn't matter if it's, you know, if it's growing 1 inch every year or 1 inch every day. Like, that shouldn't be your main concern. Just make sure that your hair is healthy and let it grow at its own pace. Seriously, bro. Don't let hair growth be the goal, and just, I would say, let your hair's health like be the goal, because that was my goal. I didn't really care about length. I just wanted my hair to be healthy and, you know, and let it do its own thing. I've had my natural hair now for like 3 years, and I've seen people get really long hair growth within 3 months after their big chop, and that's good for them. Like, that's really good for them, because I follow a lot of natural hair pages and channels on YouTube, and you shouldn't really compare your hair growth to somebody else's hair growth, is basically what I'm saying. Yeah, just as long as your hair is healthy and it's thriving, it'll go no matter if you get 1 inch in 3 days, 3 months, or 3 years. Like, as long as your hair is healthy, that's all that matters. Use protective styles, whether that's wigs, sew-ins, braids. As long as your natural hair is not being manipulated, that's going to be your best friend. Like, get hairstyles that you can keep in for 3 months or whatever, and, you know, just leave your hair alone. That'll help your hair grow. Yeah, so I've been wearing wigs since like 2016, so that's actually really what it is just leaving your hair alone. So I've been wearing wigs, and while my hair is in wigs, I just have it in cornrows, and I, you know, co-wash it every couple weeks, and then I just keep it moisturized, and really that's how I got to this place. I wash my hair with conditioner. I co-wash my hair. Unless my hair really needs to be like really cleaned, I'll use shampoo, but most of the time I just co-wash it with this. And then once I'm done co-washing it, I use this Cantu moisturizer, and then I'll put it in cornrows, or I'll use this curl enhancing like curls thingy, Shea Moisture. Most of the hair products I use is from Shea Moisture. I know that was canceled a couple years ago, but I can't stop using it. I really can't. So then after that, you want to seal your hair with Jamaican black castor oil. Any type of Jamaican black castor oil. This one has vitamins and stuff like that. But after you cornrow your hair, or however you want to do it underneath the wig, cornrow your hair with the moisturizer, and then once it's done, just pour some of this in your hand and just, you know, put it on your scalp and your braids and your edges, and then put a cap on and just leave it alone for couple weeks until you have to wash your hair again. And that's really what I've been doing since 2016. These are the products that I've been using: conditioner, curl enhancing type of pudding or whatever, and then add Jamaican black castor oil. That's the only oil that I use to you know, seal it or whatever. This is the only oil that these are like the only 3 products that I use on my hair. So yeah, go get these products, you know, go get them. 4C, 4B, whatever hair you have. If you're on your natural hair journey, Co-wash, moisturize, seal it with oil, put the cap on, and just leave your hair alone. Okay, this is how my hair turned out, if anyone wants to know. That's how it turned out. That's my pineapple puff. I hope this helps you on your natural hair journey. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share this video, all that stuff, and I'll see you guys in my next one.